sa kwento ng isang Stelberry fan kung saan ay naging bahagi siya at siya ay present sa nasabi nga pong meet and greet ni Stel Ahero. Mula kay Rachel Cia Gomez is at Electric Studio. Aniya, I am a regular rider of Electric Studio. Electric Studio, oh wait, let me rephrase that. I am an 18-berry rider of Electric Studio. That's why when my friend Veronica Galvez told me about the ride Crazy with Stel, I was ecstatic and I couldn't believe it. I've always wished for an SB19 theme ride at Electric Studio, but we got more than that today. We got Stel on the podium as instructor. I mean, what? Ride Crazy with Stel or Crazy Ride with Stel? It was everything. Crazy, energetic, crazy, exhilarating, crazy fun, crazy thrilling, crazy euphoric, crazy electric, crazy heartwarming, crazy everything. Everyone had to match Stel's vibe and energy. It was everything. His energy, appeal, good looks are a given. But what stood out for me most is Big Heart. His genuine love and appreciation for us fans and berries. You guys are so friendly at grabe ang dedication. Sa patuloy ng kanyang kwento sa kanyang naging post, sinabi niyang the most exciting part definitely was the meet and greet. He hugged and had something to say to everyone. He told me, oh, yung most energetic. OMG, yes. Kailangan kong i-match ang energy mo. He even agreed to do the strong pose. The management said, we can have an item signed. At first, I couldn't think where to get that sign on until I get the best idea. What could be better than getting my cycling shoes autographed? And I got just that. Today was definitely crazy, an experience I never thought I'd had. Best day ever for sure. Electric Studio, I love you forever. You have my infinite membership. Shout out to Arsenio Solinap, Bats, and the crew who helped me manifest this. It was worth the wait. Thank you, Stel Ahero. Thank you, SB19 Official. Thank you, Wanzi Entertainment. Yan po ang naging kwento ni Rachel sa naging experience niya sa nasabi nga pong bonding na iyon with Stel Ahero na kung saan ay sobra nga po siyang napahanga sa isang SB19 member na ito na hindi lang nga daw energetic sa lahat ng bagay, kundi talagang napakabuti ng kalooban. Ibinahagi din ni Rachel ang mga items or ang isang items na natanggap niya at yung kanyang shoes na nagkaroon ng sign ni Stel at pareho pa po yan na shoes na may sign ni Stel. At ang mga nandoon na mga berries na nakabanding ni Stel, pati na rin ang towel na kanyang natanggap na may pangalan at nakaburda po ang pangalan ni Stel. So yan po ang naging event, the Ride Crazy with Stel sa isang Electric Studio na kung saan ito po ay isang gym. Well, ano po masasay nyo sa kwentong 18 na ito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images or all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.